Buddy is always there for what really matters. He reminds you of important tasks and events on your agenda.
Wake up, Muffield. Don't forget, it's Mom's birthday today.
Buddy, turn on the lights. Let's go wake up Juliet.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Mom. Happy birthday.
Buddy makes your Post-it board come alive. He can assist with messaging and relay the right message to the right family member.
Buddy, remind Mom not to come back home before 8 o'clock.
Buddy is a hands-free helper, always there when you need him. He can suggest recipes while you're cooking.
The Nutella pancakes. Honey.
Read your
see you
messages.
tonight. Don't worry, I'll come early to take care of everything.
Play your favorite playlist when you ask him,
Play my favorite playlist.
Call
or even answer your call.
Veronica.
Okay, buddy, take the call. Okay, I'm leaving now. See you in half an hour.
Buddy is watching your house. He patrols your home while you're away and alerts you when detecting any unusual situation. He can also manage all your connected devices. He automates your home and life by connecting to your devices fitness trackers, locks, switches, and thermostats.
Darn, did I turn off my oven?
He brings you peace of mind. Buddy, can you help Mathilde? Buddy is an
Muffield, what
edutainment
is
companion.
7 times 7.
He allows your child to learn through play,
49?
such as practicing times tables
Bravo,
while having fun.
Muffield. Perfect. Good work.
Thanks, Buddy.
My pleasure, Ben.
Buddy is your best shot. He captures special moments and can send them directly by email or by social networks. He detects when you smile for a picture or video, sees and tracks through his camera to recognize your face.
Call Grandma to show her Mom's birthday cake.
Hi, I'm Cypher, the designer of Vortex. Vortex is a revolutionary product for children. It is a smart and responsive robot that kids can play with and program. Using the Vortex and apps, kids can play different games, learn about robotics, and even create their own. Playing with Vortex is incredibly fun and easy thanks to its unified system and intuitive app. For example, the Bumping Fight is a sumo-style party game suitable for multiple players. The computer inside Vortex has sensors to detect motions like hitting, spinning, or being still. Vortex embraces new technologies and allows users to experience them. The Fugitive is a unique game with augmented reality and motion tracking technology. Children already love playing with our Vortex prototypes, and we can't wait for kids everywhere to get their own Vortex. Vortex is compatible with both iOS and Android devices and comes with an open SDK. Anyone who wants to develop a game for Vortex is empowered to do so because every Vortex is a dev kit. The only limit? Your imagination. Vortex's app allows kids to learn to program their robots in a fun, simple, and educational environment. By abstracting complicated actions and visualizing the process, the app teaches the basics of programming without any coding or advanced skill. Learning by doing has never been easier. Just drag, drop, and hit upload. That's simple.
Hey, I am the Mechanoid G15KS. I was created to interact with human beings and learn from them. High five! I come installed with a technology called Learned Intelligent Motion. It's simple to program me.
I make programming robots fun and simple.
It can record and play back animations,
I make programming robots fun and simple.
process voice recognition, and communicate with smart devices through Bluetooth. Motion capture enabled. Thank you. That was fun. Let's do it again sometime. Self-destruct mode activated. 3, 2, 1. Just kidding.
Hello, Internet. My name's Kevin King, founder of Plum Geek. I'm here today to introduce Ringo. Ringo is a palm-sized robot based on the Arduino Uno. He's perfect for any robotics enthusiast. The wide range of smarts and sensors we've included will challenge and entertain even the most advanced programmers, yet he's still a perfect fit for anyone taking their first steps into robotics or programming. Ringo ships with 10 interesting behaviors preloaded, so you can start having fun as soon as you open the box. You can activate and control the behaviors with the included remote control. The light chase. Here, Ringo uses the 3 light sensors to track and follow the light. The pretty glow is coming from the 2 lights on his underside. You can make these any colors you want. The line follow. Here he's using the edge sensors under his feelers to see the line. His eye flashes green when the sensor on that side sees the line. The finger nipper. Here he's using his accelerometer and determining which direction he's pushed from, then he attacks in that direction. The scaredy bug. Similar example, but he runs the opposite direction when disturbed. In this example, the gyroscope is used to keep Ringo pointed a specific direction even when disturbed. Wind him up like a clock and let him go. He returns to the starting position. Pretty cool, huh? After you learn how his sensors work with the preloaded examples, you can customize them with your own personal touch by editing our easy-to-understand example code. This is a great way to learn the basic structure of how a program works and to move towards more advanced skills. You can make him come to life, like he has a real personality. He drives around using a pair of pager motors. The tips of the motors make contact with the surface on either side. Both motors can run in either direction and at variable speed. This makes him very maneuverable. Ringo can determine where he is, how he's moving, and where he's pointing thanks to an onboard accelerometer and gyroscope.
Meet JD, an easy robot humanoid assembled with easy bits. Robot parts that clip together. With guided 3D instructions. This is your personal robot. For research, experimentation, and education. Control JD over Wi-Fi from your iOS or Android mobile device. Or program him to learn new tricks, dances, or routines using the Easy Builder software on your laptop. Use JD's parts to invent something new. Additional accessories are available in our store. A breakthrough in personal robotics.